Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. Let's start with the fastest way with the usage of the secret code. We have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see at the very bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So let's tap on them. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now scroll until you'll see the model. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, the serial number is right under the model. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.